sit. You get him sitting, and you put the leash. See how nice that is? And you turn, and you get a little tug. Okay, come. Come on, Mikey. Let's go. Stays on leash. Doesn't walk any faster than me. I say turn. I stop, he stops. Let's go. Turn. Mikey. Let's sit. Now we get to work for treats. He knows about the treats. So we already have a nice sit. Good, sit. Give me a high five. High five. Oh, that was perfect. Perfect high five. You lay down? Right here? Oh, good boy. Good, down. Now, let's see if we'll do a little small commando crawl. Come on, commando crawl. Commando crawl. Come on, come on. Commando crawl. Good, commando crawl. All right, now that he's laying down so nice, I'm going to put you in a wait. That's a hand command for wait. And stay. I can actually turn my back on the dog, and he's just going to sit there for hours until I tell him to come. I give him the okay, come, and I make him sit for the treat. Good, come. Good boy, good job. Now let's see if we can do one more little thing. I got him to do this earlier. He just learned this morning. So, come over here, sit for the camera. Can you say hi? Can you wave hi? Come on. Hi, Mikey. Hi. 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 Yes, good hi. Did you see that?
Do it again, please.
Okay. Hi. Hi. Wave hi. Wave hi. Say hi to the camera. Hi, Mikey. Hi. 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 There we go. Hi. Good job. Okay, we're going to play a little game. I hope that cat doesn't distract us. You just saw what hand, so I'm going to switch hands with the treat. Which hand? Which hand? Which hand? Which hand's it in? Nope. Wrong. Try again. Which hand? Which hand? That's the hand. Oh, he doesn't care because the cat's here. There we go. Anyway, let's do that one again. Can you sit down for that? Good job. Okay. Which hand? Which hand has it? Come down. Which hand? Which hand? Come on. You have to pick it with your paw. Show me. Show me. Show me. No. Wrong. Which hand? This hand. Good boy. He's just learning that. Let me show you another good one. Wait. Leave it. Mikey. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. This is the hand command for leave it. Wait. Wait. Okay. Okay, you can have it now. Go ahead. Good job. Let's do that one again. Wait. Leave it. Leave it. Okay, go ahead.